topic is uses of microorganisms in medicines. First, we will discuss about production of antibiotics. When we fall ill, the doctor gives us medicines. These medicines kill disease-causing microorganisms. Therefore, these are called antibiotics. Antibiotics has been taken from two words. Anti means against and biotic means life. So, antibiotic means against life. They are medicine that treat infections by killing bacteria. The medicines produced by organisms such as bacteria and fungi, which kill or stop the growth of the disease-causing microorganisms present in our body, are called antibiotics. Some common antibiotics are penicillin, streptomycin, erythromycin, and tetracycline. The first antibiotic, penicillin, was discovered by chance and extracted from a mold called Penicillium. In 1929, Alexander Fleming was cultivating a culture of disease-causing bacteria. Suddenly, he found the spores of a little green fungus in one of his culture plates. He noticed that the presence of small green fungus stopped the growth of disease-causing bacteria. From this mold, penicillin drug was made. In this way, Sir Alexander Fleming discovered penicillin drug that is an effective antibiotic. Precautions to be taken while using antibiotics. First is, antibiotics should be taken only on the advice of a qualified doctor. Second is, we must complete the entire course of antibiotics prescribed by the doctor. This completely destroys the disease-causing microorganisms in our body. We may fall ill again if we do not complete the course. Third, the antibiotics should be taken in proper doses as advised by the doctor. Fourth, antibiotics taken unnecessarily may kill the beneficial bacteria in the body. Fifth, antibiotics should not be taken when we are suffering from cold and flu, because antibiotics are not effective against diseases caused by viruses.